Hi ladies, it's Jay from DetroitWigs.com, ready for our next tutorial? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to put on the straight-haired comb clip ponytail. We're currently running a great special around our ponytails that are helping us as individuals get ready and feel better, look great throughout our day. But for every purchase that you make of our straight ponytails, we are donating a ponytail to a women's help center to get a lady in need trying to get back on her feet, ready and feeling better for a job interview. So it's really important that we all take a little time to learn something new for ourselves, but also think about the ladies that we could be helping with such a small gesture. So right now we are doing a buy one, get one free. You can have your ponytail sent to your house. You can give it to a lady that you know that needs it, or you can donate it to one of our help centers. The straight-haired ponytails come with a nice long straight ponytail. This part is going to wrap around the comb clip. This is one unit, and it does come with a hair tie and 2 bobby pins. This tutorial is going to be very simple as far as styling. I'm going to put my hair in a simple ponytail all the way up with a little bit of product to lay my hair down nice and flat, give me a very sleek style, nothing too crazy. You can really do whatever you want with the front of your hair, bangs, twisties, braids, anything to enhance it, but for this video we're just going to do very simple to show you how to wear the actual unit. Alright, so I'm just going to start with brushing my hair back. I actually wore this yesterday, so I already have a little bit of product in my hair. It's been a nice busy week, so this is perfect. This is one of the reasons why I love this is I have to look really good, really fast, be ready for all my meetings. As you can see, I'm just doing a semi-high ponytail, and I'm going to just be putting my hair into a light bun, and it's nice and tight and firm. Okay, now I'm going to just lay it down a little, and I'll show you how to put the next part on. Okay, so I'm just going to be using a little bit of stuff to lay my hair down, a little bit of pomade edge solution. I've been really liking this sort of sleek look because it is really quick and easy. I just kind of put that all around my hair, and okay, now I'm ready for the next part. Okay, so first what we're going to do is use this little comb clip, and we're going to slide it in right over the top of the ponytail. You just slide it in, very easy like that. Get it all the way to the base. And then we're going to take this other part, which is Velcro, and you use that to secure the ponytail tightly around. Okay. So now the ponytail is fastened to my hair, and I'm going to use this piece, the curly little piece, to wrap it around to conceal this. We don't want people to see that. Okay, so you just want to grab this piece and wrap it around the ponytail, just covering up so people can't tell that that it's a hair piece. Then you just want to fasten that little back tail down underneath the ponytail. So as you can see, that was really quick and simple. I'm going to just take a couple little bobby pins because my real hair is very short. I just clip up back there, and I'm going to kind of take the comb through, smooth out some of these, use a little bit more pomade maybe. But really, I'm ready to go. Everything, I could run out the door if I was just going to the gas station. I have to go handle some business, so I'm going to make it extra refined. As you can see, my hair looks great, and it looks way better than if I just threw it up in a ponytail or put it in a bun. It's very business casual, great for waitresses, hairdressers, real estate agents, ladies on the go, dance girls, dance moms. Everybody's gonna look better with a little bit of length on their ponytail. Thanks, ladies. Thank you, ladies, for watching my tutorial on how to install the straight comb clip ponytail for DetroitWigs.com. Don't forget, these ponytails are buy one, get one free during our Build a Babe Up donation.